Hello, I'm Viorel Acsinte from the Ratal Architects. I've been invited by the Woxsen University to have the Parametric workshop. It has been a wonderful experience. Thanks to all the students, they have been very proactive and they asked a lot of questions, which I enjoy a lot. In this parametric course, we did also a lot of prototyping, not just digital modeling, but also a real scale model, one of the first prototypes. And I hope the students understood that there is a lot of friction and challenge when you make the prototype. You'll find errors that you think there are no errors, but like material thicknesses, you buy one material, it gets delivered in another thicknesses, then the whole process is messed up because you have to readjust your thickness. With the teachers, I must say that I had an amazing time at the dinner and breakfast. They are very friendly and open people, open-minded. With the students, last night was the best night, I think. We had dinner on the stairs of the university. We had to print the model late till 11:30, I guess. So thank you very much for inviting me, and I really look forward to come back to teach the new generation of students, and also to teach you further in the 8th or 9th semester at the end of your bachelor. So thank you.